These are what we call pigs. And not ngumba. Pigs. These are what we call pigs, and not ngumba. Yakuti winyaula ngumba itawa. But with a pig, you can scratch it, can pour it water, and it still enjoys atmosphere. Practicing piggery at home. These are what we call pigs. Not ngumba. Ngumba mdala ngainyaule so ngumba zona. Ngainyaule ngumba. Hey, muyambana. But on. Like it's feeling nice to be scratched, cleaned. So already this one is expecting. This one is expecting. We have 2 sows here that are expecting. These are expecting, 2 of them. As you can see from the teats. Yeah. So these are what we call pigs. Yeah, pigs. Okay. That's it. The 2. But ava na ngumba. Na pure ngumba. So I've been cleaning, so I need some more water to do the cleaning, of course. I need some more water to do the routine. Okay. Yeah. So I'm yet to shift to this place. Also, I have to remove all this dirt here. No, people haven't been doing enough at the farm, making sure things are done.